Miller 215. Big no here. First time I ever had one of these pop our breaker. So I checked the output rectifier. These two studs right here, I just did a diode check with the meter. It was good. Opened this thing up and noticed that the wires are crossed here on the switch. So somebody messed with this. You can see this line from the circuit breaker is violet. It's supposed to be under this violet, and then this white line is supposed to be up here where that one is. So somebody crossed and messed with this. Dummies. I haven't tried to turn it on, but let's see what happens. Got the little jumper wire here to the 115. I didn't want to record it and do that at the same time, but it turned on. This plug is missing the ground here, so I'm gonna have to replace that and that cord. But this machine turns on and I wasn't able to weld test, but it works.